Alright, it's about 5 a.m. and I'm down here at Mike's, and we're going to take another road trip.
You can hear the rooster crowing.
I know. I don't know if they can hear that on the thing here. We got roosters. He got roosters down here, neighbors with roosters. But anyway, we're gonna take a trip up to the Pocono Mountains, and Mike is gonna pick up some kind of tool, you know, a steel brake or a roller or something. I think it's a combination.
Yeah.
He needs it for a job, and he just happened to find one. So this guy's he's an engine guy, and he has a lot of hit and miss stuff, and probably tractors. But we don't know if he's going to let us film. But if he does, we'll take some film, because our road trips are pretty interesting. And if we see something on the way, but it's probably going to be dark most of the way. But it's a pretty area up there, you know, and the leaves are probably turning right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you say? Ready to go, buddy?
Let's hit the road.
All right, let's move them out. All right, not much happening, but here comes the Lehigh Tunnel. I know you guys have seen it before. I wish you could see it, because there's something wrong with Mike's wipers here. Yeah, it's been raining a good part of the time, so there we go. Thank you, Mike. Yeah, you won't see any rain now. Oh, look, it stopped raining. It's funny, it stopped raining, but the ground's still wet in here. How'd that happen?
Science.
It's the side without the fan.
Right. This is the decrepit
The
side.
early side.
It's all falling apart. They must have had a vehicle fire back there. I saw like a bunch of smoke on the side of the wall. Yeah.
Huh.
A bunch of soot. Tesla must have caught fire in here.
Probably. A lot of tile missing on this side. Here's the light at the end of the tunnel, Mike. I wasn't going to film this, but then Mike is going to sit there complaining and didn't see it.
This is a staple of the road trip.
This is a road trip. Seems like we always come up and say, wow, look at the fog.
Wow, it's foggy on this side of the mountain.
Wow, we must be a lot higher. Alright, take a view out the side window here. Down into the valley. Yeah, look at all the fog in between the mountains, Mike. Strange it's foggy and it's raining. Alright. Like I say, we'll turn you guys on when we see something, but raining out, and we're not seeing it much. So even we're just starting to see the fall colors in the trees here, but not much. We're still got to go a little higher, huh, Mike?
Yeah, a bit. We're still about 20 minutes away.
All right. Well, hopefully the guy let us film stuff. So. There you go, it looks a little better outside the side window. A little bumpier, but yeah, we're getting more color out this way, Mike. A little green, yellow, red. Rocks. Alright.
You're not the other heater.
I don't think that's a heater.
Yeah, I think they can. I didn't put too much chicken away there.
A lot of huge stuff here, big stuff. Can't really see too much of it though because of the light. I mean, huge. These engines are huge. Must be 20 of them in here. Yeah, sorry about the lighting. It's just what we're dealing with here. You guys can't see half of what I do. Way into the back there. Hopefully it comes out better on the.
Oh, yeah, I saw the pictures you had.
Yeah, building's full of these engines, and a guy got a yard full of them. And they're not the little stuff you see all the time, man. These are, all this stuff is huge.
Generator out there.
He says a lot of it's one of a kind. You know, only ones of its kind that are known. What's this one here? Bullseye. Huh. Look at the size of the balls on it. Alright. Yeah, sorry about the light. It's a beautiful B model Mac, recently painted.
There's a crack along the inside. I know the cylinder looks rough, but I don't believe it's all that bad. It's looking up at it. There's one piece of video.
Yeah, $50 an inch versus
Separate from everything,
Yep,
all from all
yep.
the iron, just bit in there. Got the brakes there. Wow.
That's actually on a Messier car.
Wipe spark, yeah. Wow.
And what's the other one?
that's a 12 horsepower Dieter. You can work your way back there.
Dieter.
I made the car for the Dieter. Tried to copy a Columbia car.
We'll get it. We'll get it. If we fall, just pick me up and put me in the truck.
That's alright, don't
Or
worry
if you
about
kick
it.
a hole down.
Come on, Mike, you walk like an old man. Dieter.
Yeah, we pretty
The
much
only
built
one
that
in
entire
existence.
part.
That's the only one in existence.
And where'd this come from?
They were made in Cherryville, PA.
Cherry.
So this is the only one in existence.
That's the only
Of that
12
size,
horse.
yeah.
There's 10 Dieters left in existence. That's the only 12 horse.
Wow. Pretty cool.
Oh, is it like a mill engine around here or something like that?
Look at this piston sitting on the ground here. It's gotta be, the piston's gotta be two foot. The connecting rod's gotta be
He said about
5 foot.
his dad
Pretty
passed
cool.
away and there was auction. And
An old gas pump. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go over here and see what he got. There's a rare one here, Marion. I've never even heard of Marion. 25 horses, is that what that 25 means?
Yep.
A lot of iron. Says this one here under that tarp came from the Hudson River. In the Hudson River.
It's an auto.
Otto, yeah.
they wanted a hopper full engine.
Water hopper on it.
Oh, no kidding.
So they took
And
the
then-
only 25 horse Dieter in existence and made a hopper pool.
And then the guy that he got the engine from, well, he actually bought it from the widow, MIG welded all the holes shut. So the thing that we made is actually going to go down below all this and up around.
Right, you have to cut more of it out.
Yeah.
To clean it up.
Right, yeah.
And then whoever brazed the bottom did it up and I was known, and I think when they cut the top out, they weakened it, so it's actually got a spider crack right around it.
Oh, I think there might have been like an internal stress in there.
Oh, yeah, because they
Dodge Brothers. Pretty cool. And a license plate.
Then when you get the car. And finally that fall I got the car. After years. And I got to change the rear. I got a set of front springs. I got the one front springs from.
This project became your project.
Yeah.
Just like that.
He's a good guy. He's a character. 90 years old now. He come up and need a
Packer.
brake drum. Well, he drives a 64 Dodge 80. They need a brake drum and stuff. Back and forth, back and forth. No, it's not gonna go involved. And they're all crippled up. Called me one day. The white 80 won't start in front of the house. I crank over. No, it doesn't do nothing. Okay, we'll be down. Go down. Look at the window. Go down the house. What are you doing here? You told me the car don't start.
Oh, thank you. He just turned some lights on for us here.
Fix the goddamn car.
They look like contenders.
Pretty cool, man. He's got
Yeah.
some collection here, unbelievable.
Then he comes out and opens it.
Plymouth,
Goddamn
see
battery
that?
cable's open. It's like, well, just stick a
Emblem on the
nail
hood
in it.
there.
Don't you have a new battery cable? Up in the garage. Full freaking roll battery cable. Just stick a nail in it. Oh, Jesus Christ.
He's a real depression era guy.
Yeah. One day, one of the other idiots, so-and-so told me I had the perk valve. He ain't got a perk valve on a 361. Hydraulic lift, no perk valve. Yeah. He checked spark, yeah, that plug out has spark. That don't mean shit. What do you mean? Then you can put the plug in and it's on fire. Ah. That's all it's got, freaking plugs and points and shit down. He's in there rooting around, he comes down here. What cap's worse than the one that's on the car? Well, I'm not
All right, we only seen a bit of what they have here, but they have an awful lot. But and sorry about the lighting. You know, a lot of them areas only had little light bulbs in them, but you know, we did the best we could. You know, that's just the way it is. So at least they were nice enough. They showed us around, and real nice guys. So I didn't show you what Mike picked up, but we'll show you when we get back to his house. All right, we'll see you when we get there. Alright, finally made it back to Mike's, and this is what we went to pick up. Sorry about some of them dark shots, but you know, that's just the hand we were dealt, and you know, sometimes things are brighter or darker than they look on the camera here, so I don't know what they're going to look like until we put this into the computer and see what's going on. So I apologize for that, but we do what we can.
That's right.
Yeah, this is what Mike went to pick up, and this top part here is for rolling and curling sheet metal.
Right.
And then the bottom half here, he has a brake, so he can, it's actually a finger brake. He can actually bend metal there. Look at the little V there. Watch your fingers, watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
realize the bottom comes up.
That comes up, and then this, you could actually shear it.
Well,
The
yeah.
metal slides under this bar here.
Right, I think this is the finger guard, but yeah,
Right.
there's the shear. Let's see.
Yeah. So it's a shear roller
Yeah.
brake.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah, if you got no kids, you get to throw that out.
Right. Yeah, there's the shear right there. So there's the shear. You lift up for the brake, and then the rollers are engaged.
Right. I think
And
I've
then-
seen. You got for the brake. You have. I don't know what they are,
I don't
Mike.
know what those are. We gotta read
Yeah.
the manual.
Right. Usually when
Oh, you know what? That's the roller.
tighten the roller
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Okay, I thought that's what I thought that's what the top one was. Maybe not.
Maybe that, I think that might be a lock.
I don't know. Like you say, you have to look at the manual. But anyway,
Read the book, huh?
read the book. That's the first thing that gets thrown out.
Yeah.
So, it was a good, nice trip, and the two fellows that were up there were real nice, real hospitable. Showed us around, told us some stories. Good stuff. We meet a lot of nice people when we make these trips. So,
Yeah.
all right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. What do you say, buddy?
Enough of this.
Enough of this. All right. See you in the next one.